Hey friends, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll create 5 half-up hairstyles using claw clips. So let's jump in. For our first hairstyle, we want to select our top section, brush it lightly and twist it downwards like I'm showing. Use a small claw clip to fix it in place. Release your ponytail, bring it up and bring it through the claw clip, leaving the ends down. Pull your created bubble to cover your claw clip and you're done. Next, selecting our top section again, we want to divide it into 2 equal sections. Then we want to crisscross it, leaving one of those down and bringing up a section like so. And then using a claw clip, we want to fix our construction in place and bring your top section over it. It's so easy and so nice, right? For our next one, we want to select again our top section. I prefer to leave my bangs in the front, but that's optional of course. Then we want to twist our hair downwards like I'm showing and fix it with a claw clip. Then we want to twist our ends, bring it up and wrap it around your claw clip and fix it when you bring it down, leaving the ends out. Done! For the next one, we'll use a clear elastic. So again, we want to select our top section. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Then you want to tie a half-up ponytail like I'm showing. Then you want to bring your ponytail up. Use a claw clip to fix it in place. Divide your ponytail into 2, crisscross it on top, and then you want to twist it and fix it with your claw clip on both sides, like so. Beautiful, right? For the next one, again we want to select our top section. We will use a clear elastic again, but on last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through, pinch and pull your bubble and fix it with a claw clip like that, and you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel because here you'll find a lot of hair tutorials. But that's it for today and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!